Types of mobile apps. Apps provide specific functionality to your mobile and tablet devices in a more simple and user-friendly manner. We use so many applications on our mobile device to perform different types of tasks. Generally, these apps can be divided into three types, which are native, web, and hybrid. Let us learn about these in detail. Native apps. Native apps are platform-dependent, which means that these apps are primarily developed for a specific platform. For example, any app which is developed for iOS will not run on any other platform such as Android, Windows, and BlackBerry. In other words, you cannot install the app on iOS platform which is developed for Android platform. Most of the apps installed on your mobile device are native apps. These apps are distinctly accessible from app stores and offer the fastest, most reliable, and most responsive experience to users. Some of the examples of native apps are camera, microphone, gallery, and address book. However, there are some alternatives also available for these apps, but using native apps is easiest. Web apps. Web apps are actually web applications which give a user with experience similar to native apps. These apps are not deployed on the App Store. Hence, you need an extra app called browser to access these apps on your mobile device. You also need an internet connection to work with web apps. These apps are generally developed in HTML and CSS. Web apps are different from websites. The major difference is that a web app can be a small part of a website which provides a particular functionality. On the other hand, a website can contain many web apps. Some of the examples of the web apps are OLX, Flipkart, and
Pinterest.
Hybrid apps. The app that is created by combining the features of native app and web app is called a hybrid app. Similar to native app, hybrid app is developed for a specific platform and deployed on the App Store. You need to install the hybrid app before using it on your mobile. Hybrid app can be created by using many hardware features of your device such as camera and developed by using HTML and CSS similar to web app. Nowadays, developers use development tools to package the code of the hybrid app with a browser to make it as a native app. In this way, hybrid apps become cross-platform, which means that the same code can be run on multiple platforms. This technique saves the development time and cost also. Some of the examples of the hybrid apps are Instagram, Gmail, and Twitter.